Hi, my name is Lizzie and here's Dustin.
Yeah.
He got like this paintball gun and he's gonna shoot. Wait, here, hold on. Here's what he already did.
What now? Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, miss. Oh yeah, there's one more.
There's one more?
Yeah. No, there's a couple more.
You have to do it really fast.
Yeah.
There's no more. Yeah, he has to do it really, really fast in order to go far. Here, I'll go get you some more.
Ew.
What? Hey, okay, I don't want to know. Yeah, since the paintballs, they kind of melt. Well, not melt, but they paint that comes out of them. Let's just say that. Yes, it's non-toxic. I know. I got you 4. Here's what they look like. My hands are blue.
Let me throw one. Watch this. Guys, watch.
No, throw it at the tree.
I'm going to throw it right there.
We have to throw it.
Watch.
See, look at that. That's the paint that came from that.
Here.
Throw all 3 of them at the same time.
Yeah, that'll freaking make it. Hold it here. Wait, you guys want to see one? Drop. Watch.
Where'd it go?
You know what y'all do? Y'all to shoot straight down.
No, because they don't want to hit anything.
Well, it's got to come down.
You have to get closer than that to get.
Blew up somewhere.
Sorry, hold on. Hurry before it. Okay, there. Here it is. I found it.
Hey, I found one again.
This one's already paint.
What? This one's already what?
No, nothing. Yeah, hopefully. So can I try that?
One stuck.
One stuck? Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, because it blew up in there.
It blew up on.
Come on, guys. Come on, Jake.
I got her on the camera, you know.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I'll get you some more. Can I try one?
No, I just want to use it a couple more times.
Okay, who's gonna do it a couple more times? Okay, see, we only got so much in a bag.
And I'm not using all of them.
Yeah, he's not using all of them. Well, I hope not. I got you 6. So 6 more times. 5 more times. I dropped one. And I'm going to throw one at the ground.
No, wait.
Okay, here I go. I'm going to... You have to do it really fast. Oh my God! He threw it up in the air and look what it did.
No, I hit it up. Shoot it up in there.
Yeah, he shoot it up. Shoot it up there high, but shoot it. Dude, you didn't even... Oh!
I didn't do it. I just threw it and shooted it. Don't throw it. Don't throw it again. Don't.
Fine. Oh! Give you another one. He didn't hit anything, but...
What?
He didn't hit anything. Okay, I got him 4 more. He's just gonna try to shoot him. Oh! Ooh! Ew! Ew. That paint comes out. Literally. Alright, here, hold on. I got 2 more from the ground. You better not be shooting that thing at me.
Oh, it's splattered.
I don't know where they landed. Ew.
Here, I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna take a couple and I'm gonna film them. And then we're done.
Throw it on that lady's roof.
No. And then we're gonna be done, okay?
Okay, how many you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, baby, 5, baby, 5, baby.
Guys, come here.
And I got one more for me.
Here, come on. Splatty.
Woo! Pretty colors. Woo! Pretty. Pretty. I know.
No, Sarah.
I'm not gonna do anything. Oh my God, it made it in the yard.
Did it go on the concrete?
Yeah, literally. Thank you, pizza. Yeah, baby.